Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can set the power limitation in the hot plate Electrolux. So in the first step we have to hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then child lock button for 3 seconds. Now we are in the users menu. If you want to switch the power limitation, click on the clock, and as you can see there we have the P, the 73, that means that we have the power limitation to the max, so 7300. You can also increase it or decrease by the minus and the plus. And as you can see there we have the 45 is 4500. The minimum power that you can set is 1500 watts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To save the settings, just turn off your appliance. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.